Hi friends, my topic is fiber yielding plant cotton. Here it is mainly discussed about the economic importances of the cotton plant. Common name cotton, scientific name Gossypium herbaceum, and it belongs to the family Malvaceae. Morphology of the useful part is cellulose fibers arising from testa or seed coat. Now let's discuss about the morphology of the cotton plant. The cotton plant belongs to the genus Gossypium of the family Malvaceae. It is generally a shrubby plant having 3 lobed leaves and seeds in a capsule or ball. Each seed is surrounded with downy fiber, white or creamy in color and easily spun. These fibers are the most economically important and interesting part of the plant, and they are separated from the seed by a process called ginning. The fiber flatten and twist naturally as they dry. Different species of cotton include Gossypium barbadans, Gossypium herbaceum, Gossypium arboreum, etc. Economic importances of the cotton plant. Cotton is the primary natural fiber used by modern humans. Cotton is thus of great importance for agriculture, industry and trade, especially for tropical and subtropical countries like Africa, South America, Asia and so on. Cotton has a wide variety of uses, especially in textile industries. Because cotton is a natural product and because of the way it is designed and manufactured into clothing, it has many advantages such as its ability to control moisture, insulate, provide comfort, and it is also a hypoallergenic, weatherproof and is a durable fabric. A wide range of fabric construction methods can be employed including weaving, knitting as well as non-woven techniques. And also it is a fiber that breathes. Consumers prefer cotton for its comfort, launderability, absorbency, ease finishing and dyeing. Major uses of cotton in textile industries include cotton fibers are used in clothes including all types of dresses like shirts, denims, undergarments, etc. It can be woven or knitted into fabrics including velvet, corduroy, chambray, jersey, flannel and so on. Mercerized cotton is obtained by treating cotton fibers with caustic soda. Mercerization is a textile finishing treatment for cellulose fabric and yarn, mainly cotton and flax, which improves dye uptake and tear strength, and also it reduces fabric shrinkage and impart a silk-like luster. Cotton is also extensively used for stuffing and for the production of various forms of threads. Now let's move to the pharmaceutical importances of cotton. Absorbent cotton is produced after removing the chitin layer of the fibers. It is extensively used in hospitals. Absorbent cotton absorbs blood, mucus, pus and prevents the wounds from infection. Also, it is widely used as surgical dressings. Cotton is also used as insulating material. Cotton seed oil is used as a substitute for olive oil in pharmaceutical industries. Other industrial products of cotton includes tents, tarpaulins, fishing net, coffee filter, hotel sheets, army uniforms, astronauts in flight spacesuits and so on. Also, the cotton harvest leaves several residues in the field such as stalks, side branches, leaves, balls and seeds. Especially the cotton seeds plays a major role in the production of economically important cotton products. So, let's move to the major uses of cotton residues. Cotton seeds are rich in protein and vitamins of B complex and are used as cattle feed. Cotton seed is an edible vegetable oil and also used for the manufacture of soaps, lubricants, sulfonated oil and protective coatings. The other major uses of cotton residue includes root bark used as an ergot-like drug, stem used for fuel and paper pulp. It is also extensively used in Vanaspati industries. Now, we can conclude that cotton has a wide variety of uses and it enhances the life of people. Thank you.